After I show you how light therapy works, I'll tell you about a STEM kit for 12-year-olds and older offering red and blue light therapy aimed at pain, eczema, stretch marks, skin elasticity, baldness, and other skin issues.
Hi, my name's H. Lee Wainwright. I invented e-textiles, or electronically enhanced textiles, in 1985. You can learn more about me if you go to Wikipedia and type in e-textiles, and it'll tell you all about me. What I'm here today is to talk about red light therapy. I've spoken around the globe on technologies with using fiber optics, and I have some STEM kits at the last part of the video that are made for 12-year-olds and above that can actually help to help you with red light therapy. First, let's start off by learning why and how it works to help to cure eczema, psoriasis, hair growth, skin wrinkles, all different types of skin issues. It addresses them all in one basic way. The key word is circulation, and you're going to learn that more as we go on to the videos. Red light therapy is actually not too difficult to understand. It starts with a little organelle inside our cells called mitochondria.
Mitochondria, when stimulated with red light around 660 to 850 nanometer frequency range, stimulates the release of ATP, which in turn causes the release of nitrous oxide into the bloodstream. The nitrous oxide enters the muscle cells and blood vessel walls, which in turn relaxes them, resulting in the vessels to increase their diameters, enabling more blood to flow. This increases oxygen levels, reaching areas in tissues and nerves to aid in tissue regeneration, reduction of pain, and swelling, among a host of other benefits.
To look at the three most beneficial effects of red light therapy. Encourages your body to produce enzymes, fibers, and collagen that support the skin structure. And this is the most famous type of light therapy. It uses 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers to excite those mitochondria in producing ATP, then nitrous oxide, which shrinks the swollen sides of the blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow, and this brings healing powers to your skin, shrinking the lesions and smoothing it out. Curing peripheral neuropathy, that's the numbing of the feet and the hands. Generally, this is due to the constriction of the blood vessels, and if you can actually expand them using red light therapy to bring more oxygen to the nerves, then that allows the pulses to be moved along the nerves much more efficiently than if it wasn't getting so much oxygen. So then you get the whole neural network firing simultaneously, and you'll feel a lot more from these areas. Now, blue light therapy using 415 nanometer ultraviolet light, which is a safe frequency. Now you hear ultraviolet's harmful, but that's in the 300 nanometer range. This is actually using 400 nanometers, 415 to be exact. And what happens is on the surface, the epidermal layers of your skin, you get lesions growing, popping up, as you see above my head there. And 415 nanometers of UV is good to reduce the number of bacteria by prohibiting them growing and killing them off.
Red and blue light therapy offers dozens of benefits. While blue light therapy benefits are shown on the right, the list is expanded on the left with red light benefits included. There are many products in the market that work quite well according to dozens of testimonials, but most of them seem to be quite expensive, so I decided to experiment on myself using fiber optics as a transmission method, directing red light into my skin from a pillow. I inserted fiber optics into a grid pattern, then installed it under my pillowcase. The results were quite surprising. The wrinkles around my eyes disappeared in several weeks, so I experimented and made a wrist wrap for my wife, who suffers from carpal tunnel pain. Amazingly, it reduced her pain quite a lot while she wore it overnight, but the most remarkable discovery was when eczema broke out on her arms with rashes and itching. The only place her skin was clear was under the wrist wrap, so I made her 2 arm wraps, and they instantly stopped the itching and cleared her skin of rashes within days. The red light from my pillow actually made me sleep better, and one I made for my son did the same for him. Lastly, I installed a fiber optic patch and a cap, and it continues to grow hair back on my bald spot. These are personal experiences and family members whose results support the benefits of red light therapy using fiber optics, but I do not assume the same results for others whose effect changes may vary. The following QR codes take you to my site, plus several fashion projects and designers I've worked with over the past 35 years, including recording artists Britney Spears and Missy Elliott, along with Hollywood celebrities, the late Robin Williams and Alexander McQueen, to cite just a few. I also included a link showing the smartphone-controlled wedding dress I created for my wife.